Welcome to PrimeXBT. In this video, we'll show you how to follow public covesting strategies and profit by copying the trades of successful traders. Once you've located a covesting strategy you would like to follow, click on Follow. If you're unsure on how to find a good covesting strategy to follow, consider reading our blog post, 5 Tips to Choosing the Right Strategy for You on Covesting. Choose the initial amount you'd like to allocate to following the strategy. Check the terms and conditions and click on Follow. Notice that you can reduce platform and entry fees by owning covesting tokens. This may significantly increase your potential profits. After the following is activated, you'll find performance details on the Portfolio tab on the left menu. By going into a specific following, you'll get a complete picture of its performance. Remember, you are in full control. You can start and stop following any strategy at any time. You can do so by clicking the Stop Following button. Here, you can also set up a stop loss order, which will automatically stop the following once it reaches a certain performance level that you set. It is highly recommended to put a stop loss on your followings in order to limit potential losses. In our next video, we'll show you how to create your own covesting strategy.